Eraser. Rub, rub, rub. Amen. I was just, testing you. Excellent. Thanks, I guess I'm just naturally good at math. You totally rock the math test. Pencil's so sharp. I wish I was cool as Kabut. Everyone thinks Pencil and friends are smart and creative ones. It's not fair. Look at the tape and glue. They can get anyone sticker together, even pipe cleaners and buttons. We all love paper. Whenever I see it, I feel like I do anything. And scissors, just like the kind of scary I don't even run, ever. What do I do bring the table? I just do things away. I can do an excellent job and make everyone look good. Yay. I'm tired of being just the cleanup crew. Don't ever feel like you're more. Lunchtime is over. Everyone gathered around for a science project meeting. It's worth half our grade. No, you ever. This is creative meeting. That night, rub, rub, rub. This is going to knock their caps off. Ta-da! It's for the science project. What do you think? It's wonderful. Very modern. Ah. Phew. I'm so sorry, Eraser. I'm all clogged up. Enough with the fun and games. We really have work to do. Sniff. The other day, looking good. Everyone, let's all take 5. Eraser, what are you doing? Helping. Eraser has one job, to clean up after me. It's not my fault. You can't actually make anything except a mess. I tried being Pencil's pooper scooper. Please don't do. You need you. Are you sure, Eraser? Far away. Forward my mail. Strong. Swoosh. Whomp. Sorry, dude. Erase. Hey, guys. Look, it's Eraser. I'm a huge fan. I love your work. You do? Well, sure. We're all first drafts. Without us, and nothing to do in your fridge door. I do create. I create second chances, mistakes. Make us great. Meanwhile, back at the desk. Oh no, I forgot to check my math homework. Tis, tis, ah. This is not good. Hee-haw. Hooray, we missed you. Eraser's back. I brought some friends with me. Oh, thank goodness. You're going through my entire shift like there's no tomorrow. It's been totally bonkers. Eraser, I'm sorry. I think I need your help. Well, please help me. You bet. Let's get to work. Take your time. You're going to great. You can always fix it. Next day. Oof. The rain. The force. Hooray. Kahamba. Oh, but we had straight lines for sure. You know, you make a very fine point. Sure, I like correcting, but what really makes this do is paint. Thanks, partner. Anytime.